children, I am Komal teacher from MMI Bibvewadi. So today children, we are going to work with transferring of beans from one jug to another jug. So this is your tray, these are your jugs and there are beans inside the jug. So when we start doing this activity, we always start from left to right. This is your left, so we go left to right, left to right. So let's begin children. First you will observe how Komal teacher is doing it and then do it all by yourself. Okay? So let's begin. So you use your two fingers and a thumb. This is the way we hold it. After you finish pouring, you check if any bean is left or no. You place it back. Now we'll again transfer it back to the other jug. Again use your two fingers and a thumb. And you keep it back. So this is the way we do transferring of beans from one jug to another jug. If any beans have spilled down in the tray, you can pick it up and put it back in the jug after you complete the activity. Again using your two fingers and a thumb. This activity aims in developing the child's eye-hand coordination, their pincer grip, and makes the child independent to do his daily chores all by himself. And the child also learns the concept of left to right. Thank you children.